Amazon Web Services provides building blocks that you can assemble quickly to support virtually any workload. Adjust them as your needs change, without upfront costs or ongoing commitments, and only paying for what you use. Let's take a look at that again, this time in slow motion. Whether you're building applications for colleagues or consumers, for enterprise support or e-commerce, with Amazon Web Services you'll find a complete set of highly available services which are designed to work together to build sophisticated, scalable applications. Delivered over the internet, you'll have on-demand access to highly durable storage, low-cost compute, high-performance databases, and the tools to manage these resources, all available without upfront costs, where you only pay for what you use. So let's say you're building a database-driven application, where high availability and low cost are important. You can use Amazon Web Services to store your important documents and files with storage services designed for 11 nines of durability, and power the app with your choice of relational or non-relational databases. You'll have reliable, managed databases up and running in minutes, across multiple geographically isolated data centers for redundancy and availability. You can then deploy your application using the tools and languages you're used to, either with full administrator root access or as a prepackaged app such as SAP Business Objects, MicroStrategy, or Microsoft SharePoint, all available from the AWS Marketplace. You'll find a large selection of computational resources to power your application, with support for I/O, storage, and CPU-intensive workloads. Experimentation becomes easy and low risk, with on-demand access to a wide range of hardware configurations and the flexibility to evaluate and run virtually any technology or tool. Plus, your infrastructure can grow and shrink automatically as your needs change. You can round out your application with load balancing, domain name services, a global content delivery network, and automate everything with a wide array of SDKs. Working with your data is easy too, with simple tools to integrate, import and export your data, manage Hadoop clusters, spin up petabyte-scale data warehousing, archive infrequently accessed information, federate identity, and build compliant, secure environments which integrate into your existing infrastructure via private, dedicated connectivity. You'll also have access to the fine-grained network and identity management, security certification, and access controls your organization needs. With AWS, you'll find a complete cloud platform, ready for use for virtually any workload. For business applications, big data, or building games, Amazon Web Services gives you access to the resources you need to create sophisticated, scalable applications of any size or shape. Reinvent the way you work with IT with Amazon Web Services.